Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ridemovi app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Ridemovi is a smart bike-sharing app designed to make urban mobility faster, greener, and more affordable. Through the app, users can locate, unlock, and rent shared bicycles or e-bikes available in their city. It features GPS-based bike location, QR code unlocking, ride history tracking, and integrated payment options. The app also offers route suggestions and shows available docking stations for convenient drop-off. When it comes to real-world performance, Ridemovi is praised for its ease of use, quick unlock times, and well-maintained bikes in most serviced areas. Commuters find it handy for short trips, avoiding traffic, and reducing carbon footprint. The app's navigation guidance and real-time bike availability make it simple for first-time users to get started. However, some users have reported issues such as limited bike availability during peak hours, inaccurate GPS tracking at times, and occasional technical glitches in payment processing. Service coverage is also restricted to certain cities, so it may not be useful for everyone. Additionally, rental costs can add up if used frequently without subscription passes. In summary, the Ridemovi app may be worth using if you're looking for a convenient and eco-friendly way to move around the city, especially for short commutes or casual rides. Its simplicity, real-time bike tracking, and flexible payment options make it appealing. However, if you live outside its coverage zones or need guaranteed availability during rush hours, you may want to explore alternative transport options. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.